Let me grab a fork and taste it for you. So I'm going to take the fall off of it and dip it in the juice right here. It's calling back for more. This is really good, my people. Very juicy. Delicious flavor. That is it for my barbecue ribs.